Frustrated by the Xbox Debug Monitor Library DLL crashes? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and we're going to re-register those gaming components today. To start fixing Xbox Debug Monitor Library manually, you can also consider the official maintenance toolkit for a more stable system state. This is the Xbox Debug Monitor Library, the Xbox Debug Monitor runtime library, enabling communication between development PCs and Xbox consoles or emulators. It provides hooks for memory inspection, remote debugging, and deployment workflows. If missing, development tools may fail to attach to target environments and display errors like debugger not found. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Xbdm is part of the graphics or audio runtime used by many games. Installing the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime restores missing DirectX components, while a GPU driver update handles OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA-related files. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Xbox Debug Monitor library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Xbox Debug Monitor Library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Review repair-related information for Xbox Debug Monitor Library by consulting the diagnostic utility linked below. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Xbox Debug Monitor Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.